Introducing the Zacro 1080p baby car camera, the perfect solution for parents who want to keep an eye on their little ones during car rides. This Zacro camera features a 4.3-inch HD display, offering a clear and detailed view with 1080p resolution. Designed with tempered glass and plastic, it's both durable and lightweight, weighing just 10 ounces. Made in China, it's an affordable and reliable option. With 4.5 stars from over 12,835 ratings, this camera is highly praised for its convenience and safety. Its upgraded night vision ensures you can monitor your baby even in low-light conditions, while the 150-degree wide-angle view and 360-degree rotatable lens provide full coverage. Installation is easy, with no tools needed, and the strong suction cup ensures the camera stays in place, even on bumpy roads. Stay focused on the road while keeping your baby safe and secure with the Zacro 1080p baby car camera. Meet the Bare Electric Food Steamer, model DZG-A80A2, a smart and spacious solution for healthy home cooking. From the trusted brand Bare, this sleek steamer is crafted with high-quality stainless steel, offering both durability and easy cleaning. Weighing just 7.9 pounds and made in China. With 3 adjustable power levels, 400 watts, 800 watts, and 1200 watts, you can steam everything from rice and veggies to fish and ribs, or even whip up a cozy hot pot in the bottom layer. The 10-hour preset and 1-hour timer make meal planning effortless, and the auto shutoff and anti-dry protection ensure safe operation every time. It's a reliable and versatile addition to any kitchen. Backed by 283 reviews, with an average 4.2 out of 5 stars, the Bare Electric Steamer is perfect for those who want fast, flavorful, and nutritious meals with zero fuss. The Dr. Infrared Heater Portable Space Heater, a perfect solution for heating large rooms with efficiency and safety. This 1500-watt heater features a dual heating system combining infrared quartz tubes and PTC technology, providing up to 60% more heat than typical models, with a heating capacity of around 5,200 BTU. Ideal for any room, it offers high and low settings, with an auto energy-saving model to optimize power usage. At 23.5 pounds, it's equipped with caster wheels for easy mobility, and a 12-hour automatic shut-off timer for convenience. With a noise level of just 39 decibels, it operates quietly, allowing you to enjoy cozy warmth without disruption. Rated 4.5 out of 5 stars from 26,373 reviews, users love its reliable performance and quiet operation. Efficient and safe option for year-round comfort in large rooms. Meet the Pheasant LED Night Light, a sleek, energy-efficient solution to brighten your nights. This 2-pack of warm white 3000K lights comes with adjustable brightness, ranging from a soft glow to a brighter light, perfect for any room in your home. Crafted from durable plastic, these night lights weigh just 5.3 ounces, making them lightweight and easy to use. Designed in China, and with an impressive 4.5 out of 5 stars from 69 global ratings, it's clear customers love them. Equipped with a high-quality light sensor, these night lights automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn, saving you time and effort. Plus, the 90-degree rotatable plug ensures compatibility with both vertical and horizontal outlets, while the slim, compact design doesn't block adjacent sockets. Energy efficient, low power consumption, and stylish, the Pheasant LED Night Light is a must-have for every home. Introducing the Alpine Corporation WCT202 Indoor Tabletop Tiered Water Fountain, a charming addition to your home or office. This stunning 3-tier fountain is crafted from durable resin and weighs just 3.2 pounds, making it both lightweight and easy to place anywhere. Made in China, the Alpine WCT202 is designed to bring a serene, zen-like atmosphere to any room. Its gentle, cascading water creates a calming sound that helps you relax, focus, and unwind. Plus, the fountain features 3 tea light candles, adding a soft, romantic glow that enhances your space's ambiance. The combination of natural stone-like pillars and river stones completes the rustic charm. With an impressive 4.3 out of 5-star rating from over 10,000 reviews, it's clear that this fountain is a favorite. It's perfect for anyone looking to add a peaceful touch to their decor. Introducing the Honeywell Quiet Set Whole Room Tower Fan in sleek black, model HYF290B. This impressive gadget is designed to keep you cool without taking up much space. Perfect for medium to large-sized rooms. Crafted from durable plastic and weighing just 9.2 pounds, it's easy to move wherever you need a refreshing breeze. Plus, the included remote control conveniently nests in the back of the fan housing for easy storage. Proudly made with Honeywell quality, this fan improves air circulation and helps reduce energy costs by supporting your air conditioner. With its fused safety plug, you can enjoy peace of mind while staying cool and comfortable. It's a smart investment for your home or office. Customers agree. With over 32,000 global ratings and an impressive 4.3 out of 5 stars, it's clear this fan delivers powerful performance and quiet comfort. Stay cool, save energy, and enjoy better airflow with the Honeywell Quiet Set Tower Fan. Meet the Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner, 48 kHz ultrasonic cleaner machine. The perfect solution for sparkling clean jewelry, eyeglasses, dentures, and more. With powerful 48,000 Hz sound waves, this professional cleaner effortlessly removes dirt and grime, restoring your valuables without causing damage. Designed for convenience, this dual-mode cleaner offers a 5-minute quick clean or a 7-minute deep clean. Just add tap water and press a button. The 12-ounce stainless steel tank is durable, corrosion-resistant, and perfect for a variety of items, including rings, watch straps, and coins. Compact and equipped with non-slip rubber pads for stability, this cleaner operates quietly and efficiently. With 1,123 global reviews and an impressive 4.6-star rating, customers love its ease of use and effectiveness. This ultrasonic cleaner is a must-have for keeping your valuables in pristine condition. Meet the Shark AZ2002 Vertex-powered lift-away upright vacuum. This ultra-powerful vacuum features DuoClean power fins, combining a brush roll and soft roller to pick up more dirt on all surfaces. With 1,344 watts of suction power, it tackles even the toughest messes with ease. Say goodbye to hair wrap with the self-cleaning brush roll and pet power brush, designed to pick up pet hair without tangling. The powered lift-away function allows you to detach the pod for motorized cleaning under furniture or above-floor cleaning, making it perfect for upholstery, stairs, and more. The 1-quart dust cup means longer cleaning sessions without constant emptying, and LED headlights reveal hidden debris and pet hair. Plus, with active glide technology, enjoy smooth maneuverability on both hard floors and carpets. It boasts a 4.4-star rating from 6,657 reviews. If you're looking for powerful, efficient cleaning, the Shark Vertex is the one. Introducing the Brio Moderna Bottom Load Water Cooler Dispenser, designed to bring convenience and style to your hydration experience. Built by Brio, this water cooler is crafted from durable stainless steel and weighs 42.8 pounds, offering both durability and sleek design. Made in China. With a 3.6 out of 5 stars rating from over 1,100 reviews, users love the adjustable hot and cold water settings, offering customizable temperatures from 39 degrees Fahrenheit to 174 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're craving ice-cold water or hot beverages, this dispenser has you covered. The child safety lock and self-cleaning ozone feature provide extra peace of mind and low maintenance, keeping the unit clean with just a button press. The bottom load design eliminates the need for lifting heavy bottles. while the digital display and LED light offer added convenience. The Brio Moderna is your ultimate hydration companion for home or office use. The ChillGo Bladeless Neck Fan from AMD-TY, Model F029A. This personal portable fan is perfect for staying cool wherever you go. Made from durable plastic, it's lightweight and comfortable, weighing just enough for all-day wear without causing strain. With a 5,200 mAh rechargeable battery, you'll enjoy up to 12 hours of continuous cooling, and it charges quickly via USB-C. The 4 motors and 4 air outlets boost airflow by 90%, cooling you down by 15 degrees Fahrenheit in just 3 seconds. Plus, you can adjust the airflow to your liking with 3 levels of cooling. The foldable design allows you to customize the fan's position, ensuring comfort all day long. Whether you're working, walking, or enjoying a concert, this hands-free fan keeps you cool without getting in the way. With an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, it's a favorite among users. Perfect as a gift for anyone in need of a cool break.